Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In today's video, we will kick off our discussion on static members in Java by exploring static variables. Static variables are shared across all objects of a class and are key to understand how class level data is managed. It belongs to the class itself and is initialized only once when the class is loaded into the memory. Let me show you how we can use static variables in Java. So first I will create one class counter, and inside this class I will create one static variable, static int counter equal to 0. Now I will create constructor of this class counter, and inside this constructor I will increase the value of the count. So count plus plus, and I will add sysout statement count, and I will print the count value. Now what I will do, I will try to create the object of counter class, and we will see how the count value is get updated. So first counter c1 equal to new counter. Same way I will create few more objects, c2 c3. Let me save this code and run, and in the console you can see it is printing count 1, then count 2, count 3, because 3 objects we have created. So in this example, the static variable count is shared across all instances of the counter class. Each time a new object is created, count is incremented and all the objects reflect the same value. If we talk about the benefits, static variables are ideal when we need to keep a common value across all objects of a class. For instance, they are often used for counting the number of objects created or for the shared constants. In the next video, we will dive into static methods and see how they are operate at the class level. So be sure to subscribe and you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Thank you.